what we want to sort of like announce to you is a pre-launch to this partnership between Plotonic Academy, Genius Robotics, and through them to First Global. That's an international organization which Mr. Dennis, once I introduce him, will explain to you and also just give you a little bit of a background as to what they do.
Our robot uses a very unique drive system called an Omni drive. So that means you have 4 wheels at 45 degrees. So that means your robot could drive in any direction at any time. So this was built by students. Imagine what you guys are capable of. Now here's the challenge for presenting you guys. So on your table, you have a kit. It's called the Build-A-Bit kit. And we are going to be replicating what that robot did. Yeah, so we pull the swing shot down and we lock it in place. And then we take one of these elements, we place it there and we shoot. It's going to shoot a bit over. Yeah. So your objective will be to build this now. So you guys have 15 minutes. The instructions are on the TV. Of course, we'll come around to help. And your time starts now.
Okay, let's see group 1.
This one is also just like ours.
Okay, let's look at group 1. Woo! Group 1!
Genius Robotics